go ahead and put this throttle body on here. Brand new throttle body. Take this old one off and put a new throttle body on her. Putting the throttle on. Took off this. So y'all already know what time it is. On both these 10 millimeters. This motherfucker look dirty than a motherfucker, so we're gonna see what's up. Alright, so we disconnected this. We took the bolts off. Now we gotta pull this back, drop it down, take these 10 millimeters off, and that's it. So we got the throttle body unscrewed. There it is. Take that boy off. He hot. Shit. That motherfucker hot. That's what go bad, the module. That's dirty. I'm finna get this shit right. There it is. Brand new. Brand new throttle body. Brand new. Brand new.